the extreme weather events. On the right, it is the Muir Glacier in Alaska. You see a comparison between 1941 and 2004. The whole glacier is lost. On the left bottom, this is an image from Super Typhoon Haiyan. The top left image is of permafrost thaw. Then on the right, I've shown you a representation of how much methane is being released and from what points you are observing methane release. You can see that the top right corner of that image shows you an explosion of methane, and that is from Siberia. The increased heat brings in stronger storms, and on the left bottom you can see flooding that it caused. Africa's agriculture is predominantly rain-fed. So as the weather patterns change, the patterns of rain change. And this makes it very difficult to cultivate crops. And the productivity of various crops has been set back, and the scales have been clearly mentioned, and the food security will continue to be lost. The water storage anomaly can be seen here. The darker areas represent significant decrease in terrestrial water. This is the image of a deer that was found due to thawing of permafrost. And dead remains of deer that had anthrax had resurfaced in Russia, and those virus was spread to a small human population and a significant number of deer moving in those areas. And a lot of those deer had to be killed because of the fear of an anthrax outbreak. You can see an image of the river drying up, and then this is flooding, and there's also image of a wildfire. The Lake Pupu, the left diagram, dried out in a matter of 6 months. So left top, they show you the dark blue part is the amount of water there, and you can see at the end, the right corner, how much water was left. The right image is the image of a haboob over Nile, and a similar storm was seen in India, in northern India in May of 2018. You can watch the wildfires, and the largest wildfires happened in California last year. That was the Thomas fire. All extreme weather events tend to get accelerated and happen in increased frequency. And after the wildfires of California, there was rain, and because of the loosened soil and there's no significant vegetation to hold the soil, they had mudslides. The right image shows you a dried up river and people digging in the riverbed for water. And then you have flooding. The top image is that that tornado left, the devastation, and the bottom right is an image from Bangladesh. With all these adverse effects on the climate system, what actually happened to biology today?